got some more shit in the mail. Alright, so hopefully what we got here is my Chimera short ram intake, as well as some more seat bolts because my other ones fell off. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I told them to write a joke on the inside of the box. And I will see what we got. Anything? No. Yeah, I told them to write a joke on the inside of the box. I asked nicely. I put a dang smiley face at the end, but no. But there ain't anything in here. What in the he? Alright, so here's a short ram intake itself. I like that it's shiny. And yeah, it'll definitely look good on the bike, so yeah. And here's my spare seat bolts. And I'm gonna try to tighten them in just a little bit better because this set cost $50. And here is the K&N filter itself. Yeah, I think it's gonna look a lot better than that big old air box that's on there right now. So, yeah. So, let's get to putting that on. Alright, so I guess there's only one thing left to do, is to get this thing out on the road. And, yeah, I'm not especially looking forward to it because it's about 21 degrees out right now. And, yeah, I'm sacrificing myself for you guys. Another thing is that, the way that this is designed, you can have this out here or tucked in all the way under there. I didn't quite want it in all the way over there, nor did I want it all the way out here, because if for whatever reason it gets laid down, that would be one of the first things to touch, and I just didn't really want that. And I've already put a K&N sticker on it, so people that are behind me just know, they know not to mess with me, because they know I'm packing some serious power. Ha 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 ha. I did get my other seat bolt. I put it in as tight as I could because, you know, it's not cheap. It's $50 for the set of these, but if you guys are interested, I have a link in the description for that, as well as for the intake itself. Oh man, it definitely has more of a throaty sound to it. And not just because of the exhaust. It does have an aftermarket exhaust. If you guys are new around here, it has the Takegawa exhaust on it. And the intake is dyno proven, saying that it improves the horsepower by 1. It might not seem like much, yes, but considering this only had 9 horsepower, that is a 10% increase, or a little bit more. So, yeah, it's definitely noticeable. And the sound that it makes now, it definitely matches its retro styling, which I really like. Yeah, I would definitely say it has some more low down torque than it did previously. It also feels like it's got a little bit more torque than my Z125 does. So, well, now I'm going to have to do a race between the two. So, yeah. Will I do that in this video? Probably. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you whenever I have someone to ride my Z125 so we can race these two. So, I'll see you then. Alright, and we're back. I see. What is that supposed to mean? I got someone on my Z125. We're currently headed down to Mexico so we can drag race these things. Any words? You have a yeah, hold on, get up here so you can show me what you were doing. Alright, so here is where we're going to do our race. This is the bridge going into Mexico. Alright, line up with this. Man, you ready? 3, 2, 1. If you say so, the monkey done gotcha. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1. Hey, that was a pretty good start though. A white line starts. I was at the top of first gear. No. Oh, you let off the throttle because you were like, oh no, he's catching up. Let me let off the throttle so he thinks the race is over. That's my fresh tire, don't do that. I smell your defeat is what I smell. Alright, so in conclusion, the monkey has just a little bit more power. Well, he says it's an understatement. Technically stock that the Z125 has like almost 9, not quite, like 8.5. And this has 9.5. So, and they say that the intake gives it 1 horsepower, so I guess this has 10 horsepower now, which means we're in the double digits. Yeah! I don't even know why we bothered saying that we were in Mexico, because it's not like we really even broke the speed that bad. Let's go to Mexico and do legal things. Said nobody ever. Alright guys, so that is where I'm going to start wrapping up today's video. If you guys have any questions regarding either of these bikes, be sure to let me know and I'll be sure to answer you. If you have any questions regarding this bike, if you have any questions regarding the intake itself, or the exhaust, or even the seat bolts. So if you have any questions regarding either of these bikes, leave a comment. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure you show some support by dropping a like. If you're new around here, consider hitting that subscribe button. And most importantly, be sure you hit that booty. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.